Hello students, welcome to the class. So we have been discussing about the applications of dimensional analysis in our previous video. So first application is to convert a physical quantity from one system of units into another system. So let us understand this from the example 1.12. The question is to convert 76 centimeter of mercury pressure into Newton per meter square. So you can understand that the first system is in centimeter, which is CJ system, and you have to convert into Newton per meter square, which is SI unit or MKS system. So what is that they have given? They have only given the pressure value as 76 centimeter of Hg. You have to convert the pressure from the CJ system into MKS system. So for pressure, they have given only 76 centimeter of Hg, right? So for pressure, the formula is height into density into acceleration due to gravity. We know acceleration due to gravity G value as 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, but actually the pressure height value is given in centimeter. This gravity G value is in meter. So you have to convert this one as centimeter because the first unit is in CGS. You have to convert into meters. So first when you take a value, everything should be in same system of units. So for that, as height is in centimeter, I'm going to convert this gravity acceleration G as centimeter. So for meter into centimeter, you have to multiply by 100, right? So 9.8 into 100 centimeter per second square. When you multiply this, it becomes, for 1 decimal point will be removed. So for another 0, you just add the 0. So it is 980 centimeter per second square. And density of mercury is 13.6. So just substitute this value here for finding the pressure. So what is height? 76 into density or 13.6 into 980. It is in the unit of pressure in the CJ system is dyne per centimeter square. So it is dyne per centimeter square. Okay, we know the you're going to, this is the number. Okay, you're going to convert using the dimensional formula. So what is that we are going to convert for pressure? So for pressure, the dimensional formula is m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. So usually the formula in general formula, how do we write? M power A, L power B, T power C. So compare the powers. The value of A is 1 here. The value of B, that is power L. What is the value of B? It is minus 1. And the value of power C is C. What is that C? What is the number you have over T as the power? That is what C value. So it is C is equal to minus 2. So this is what we have. So for converting the formula, we know that the number into its unit is equal to the other number into the other unit in the other system. Okay, so instead of N1 I have taken as P1 because of pressure. So P1 into M1 power A, L1 power B, T1 power C is equal to P2 into another system. So mass in other system, length in other system, and time in other system. So M2 power A, L2 power B, T2 power C. So what is that we have to find? Once for the other system, what is the number you have to multiply so as to convert from this system to other system. So P2 is what we have to find. P2 is equal to P1. Bring this to the other side. It becomes M1 by M2 whole power A, L1 by L2 whole power B, T1 by T2 whole power C. So we have this as this format. So we know the formula is number into unit 1 equal to other number into other unit. So you have to convert from CJS to MKS. So wherever you have U1, the unit of first one term is in CJ system, and the unit in two terms is, that is U2, M2, L2, all this is in MKS system. Okay, so in this format, P1 is pressure in the number of pressure. For pressure you have a number, no, that number in CJ system, and M1 is mass in CJ system, length in CJ system, time in CJ system. M2 is mass in MK system, length in MK system, and T2 in T2 is time in LKS system. So wherever you have 2 as a base, it is MKS system. 1 as a base, it is in CGS system. You're going to convert CGS to MKS. Okay. So for converting MKS in MKS, you have to find the pressure value. Okay. So what is that? Mass M1 is in CGS, no? For CGS, it is 1 gram. And for mass M2, it is in kilogram. So it is 1 kilogram. For length L1, CGS system, it is centimeter. CGS system is centimeter, gram, seconds. So for mass, it is gram. For length, it is centimeter. And for time, it is seconds. Okay. And similarly, for MK system, it is, what is this MKS system? It is meter, kilogram, seconds. So for length it is meter, for mass it is kilogram, and for time it is seconds. So you are going to substitute the values here. For pressure P1, the number we have found as 76 into 13.6 into 980. And for mass M1 by M2, for M1 it is 1 gram, by M2 it is 1 kilogram, power A. A value we know it is 1. This is using the dimension we have already discussed, right? So it is A is 1, B is minus 1, and C is 2. So 1 gram by 1 kilogram whole power 1 into length is centimeter, meter. So 1 centimeter by 1 meter whole power minus 1, and time is, both are in seconds. For both the system it is seconds. So it is 1 second by 1 second whole power, C value is 2. So 2. Okay. So here in this term, both the time values in seconds. So there is no conversion. It will get cancelled off. So it is cancelled off. 1 second by 1 second, it is getting cancelled off. Okay. So now what you have to do, you have to convert CGS system into MKS system. So convert the CGS values into MKS values. So 1 gram should be converted into kilogram. So for that, 1 gram is converted into kilogram. It should be 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram. This whole power 1 as it is. And then when you convert centimeter to meter, it is 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So 10 to the power minus 2 meter by 1 meter whole power minus 1. Seconds are common, so we have already cancelled it off. Okay. So when you do this, just have this number as it is. So it is 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 1 is simply 10 to the power minus 3 whole power 1 kilogram in kilogram. Okay. And this one is 10 to the power minus 2 by 1 is 10 to the power minus 2 whole power minus 1. Okay. When you multiply this number as it is, or multiply the value and find the value. Okay. If you multiply, it is 10 to the power minus 3 into 1 is simply 10 to the power minus 3. Here 10 to the power minus 3 whole power minus 2 into minus 1, which is, it becomes 10 to the power plus 2. So you have this number as it is, that is, see, you have this number as it is. So the P2 value is the number as it is, 76 into 13.6 into 980 into this one, 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 2. When you add up the powers, it becomes 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 2 is 10 to the power minus 1. So it is in MKS system now, which is Newton per meter square. The pressure in pressure value in MKS system is Newton per meter square. So when you multiply all this, the value will be found as, you will be getting it as 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. So this is how we have converted the value of pressure from the CGS system into MKS system. I hope you have understood. Thank you.